Today we're going to ask a Texas lawyer some questions.
I was assaulted by a security guard on the job with no injuries, around people and cameras. I pressed charges other than pressing charges. Could her or her job be sued? What type of lawyer would take on this case, or am I better going to small claims court?
What court you sue them in doesn't really matter. Small claims court, you can try and go by yourself, but there's a lot of risk in that. Don't go to small claims court without a lawyer. You definitely need a lawyer, and if it happens to go to small claims court, fine, but it's probably more appropriate of a case for a district court. Small claims court, you can appeal to go to the county court at law in Texas. But the problem with that is you have to put up a bond in the amount of the damages that you've got. So it's not all that it's cracked up to be to go to small claims. And it can always backfire. All court can backfire, even if you do have a lawyer. But especially if you do not have a lawyer, you do not want to go to small claims court and try and do that case without a lawyer. You got to get a lawyer. What kind of lawyer would it be? Someone who typically sues police officers or security guards. So you need a civil litigation attorney who is willing to take this case. You could get a lot more type of people to take this case if you're willing to pay them to take the case. But if you want them to take it on a contingency, meaning they take a percentage of what the suit is, it is highly unlikely that that suit's going to go anywhere. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But there are some other lawyers. If you get into our group, Ask Texas Lawyers a Question, there'll probably be some suggestions on referrals that you can hire for an attorney like that. If you do that, tell them that we sent you, and we will see you in the next show.